in the morning we always use the full maki, like here, and we spray the rice. Spread it. So when you spray the rice, there is a supposed to get, and we make the rice line first. Upside, make a line, and spray the bottom one, and fill up the rice onto the nori sheet. And now it's look messy and not even, is it? So we take it off some rice to make it even. So this is the ready for sushi, and we usually we always like make a match the line nori maki and nori sheet at the end, like here, like this.
Yeah.
And another one. So when we do this side, I always put my hands like that and then push it in. So here, 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 all four side, you shouldn't see any of nori sheets. But rice supposed to be not too thick. So about this much. That's it. Another one. Make a line. It's gonna be harder, like when you do this, maybe nori sheet's moving like this. When you do that, how you make it hold, like when you do that, one side just keep pushing in and then move, not just like no. It's gonna keep moving if you just do the in the air. Just keep moving. So yeah, that's it. Water rice, the lettuce, and last one. 내가 뒤에 사람 있다. That's it. And all four is good to go. So we are gonna make the teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken sushi. We put 1 carrot, just one line of the carrots. If it's a small and short, we put the other one together. Yeah. And avocado. So only one avocado and make a one line.
One line.
So usually when I just do on my own, when I do the on my own, it takes about like 1 minute and like 30 seconds. So when I make the four rolls of a sushi, it takes about like 5 minutes for sushi roll. And match the line, all good. And teriyaki chicken. You need to grab the one or two and squeeze it. We put about this much. This is one roll. So if like good like this, put only one. But like thin one, we put some more. And wipe your hands. When you roll it, put your thumbs underneath, all the way in, and grab it.
Yeah.
Don't fold your fingers. Just grab it, up, going up, all the way up, like this, all the way up. You're supposed to have the gap here, rice here. Most of the times make a mess, make a mistake. They just roll from here, and there's no gap. There's no gap, but when you put your thumb all the way inside, grab it like this, don't fold your finger, don't roll it, just all the way up come, you can see the gap here, rice gap. And fold that, the other hand, like that, and push it down to put the rice together. Grab a little bit, yeah, with the other three fingers, check a side, this finger, side, and push it in, hold it, check the rice is put together or not, and halfway, water, and put together. And leave it here. Okay, just to show you how I usually do. So grab it all the way up, hold it. Push it in. The other one, grab it all the way up. 아니? 왜? 아저씨가?